Welcome to Invest Northern Ireland's COVID-19 Response webinar series.
My name is Rodney McMullen from Invest Northern Ireland, and I would like to welcome you all to our COVID-19 Response webinar. Today's webinar is part of our Practical Export Skills series, and the topic is how to build brand awareness for your company on social media. Our presenter today is Declan Murtaugh from Brilliant Red. After the presentation, there will be a Q&A session with Declan. So thank you to everyone who has already submitted a question. If you have a specific question now or one that comes up during our presentation, please use the questions tab on your GoToWebinar control panel to send it to us. We're also recording this webinar and it will be available on the investni.com website next week or the week after, depending on the holidays. So we will email you all details when it is available. So I'd like to welcome our presenter, Declan Murtaugh from Brilliant Red. Declan, it's over to you.
Thank you very much, Rodney. Thanks to you and the team at InvestNI for helping develop these COVID-19 response social media series workshops. As Rodney said, my name is Declan Murtaugh and I'm a digital consultant with Brilliant Red. Today's webinar will last maybe just over 30 minutes. And as Rodney says, there'll be an opportunity at the end then for some questions and things. So I'm going to try and keep the webinar as relevant to your business as possible and try and keep everyone interested. Today's webinar is entitled How to Build Brand Awareness for Your Company on Social Media. It is the third webinar in this series. The first one we did focus around navigating social media during a crisis such as COVID-19. We then progressed on to how to build and devise a social media strategy in webinar 2. And today we're going to talk about probably one element of that strategy and one objective, which is building brand awareness and how to build brand awareness on social media. And that's really the main objective of businesses that use social media, certainly in my experience. I think around 70% of marketers say that their main goal for using social media is to increase brand awareness. And social media has been one of the most effective tools to generate brand awareness over the last number of years. There's no doubt about it. And it's not easy. It does require a strategic approach. So this webinar will incorporate sort of small elements of strategy, but fundamentally we'll talk about ways to engage our audience and really boost brand awareness. So we'll talk about, first of all, what a brand is and what is meant by brand awareness, how to build brand awareness then on social media. And then of course you have to measure to see whether it's working or not. So we'll talk about how to measure brand awareness on social media.